Hey, I'm Rob, and I'm going to be walking through a tool I use for sending good emails called Highrise. If you use email marketing apps like Drip, which is what I was using, you may have run into a problem. And the problem I like to kind of call it is like thinking in lists. If you go to like the campaigns tab, you'll see everything is grouped in terms of like massive amounts of subscribers. You have 200 here, 500, 5,000 there, 8,000 here. And for me, that was making me, I think, worsening my email marketing in general. I kind of wanted to get back to thinking of my list as like people and like humans and relationships that I was trying to build and be a little more authentic in that. So I want to walk you through the difference here. This is Highrise, and it's a totally different approach. It's contact based. So as you can see here, all of these emails, it's the same list, but it's sorted by contacts and by there's like pictures of the people, there's email addresses, names, and you can click into any of these people and see individual profiles, and you can email them directly from this profile. And that's really helped me with like getting some of the humanity back into my entire system. So this is like the type of tool I'd recommend for, especially for like a consultant, for an agency owner. You don't need to contact millions of people. You don't need to contact thousands of people even. To land clients, you only really need a handful of contacts. And so why use a tool that is going to reinforce kind of like these bad habits of like talking many to one instead of going one to one? This is an example of like somebody I take notes on. The emails they send me are stored in here. The emails I send them are stored in here. I still have like the same thing as far as tagging, but I can even add tasks here. And so I'm going to walk through this stuff individually and how I kind of set it up. But this is a quick overview of like the main benefit of like seeing humans, making real connections. That's kind of what I use Highrise for.